Hi, my name is Ashay. Here is my colleague, Sridhar. We are both from Kairos Energy. We are a lithium-ion battery manufacturer with our own patented liquid cooling technology. A lot of projects that we have done are with EnerTech, where we have integrated our lithium batteries with EnerTech inverters. And we are quite happy with the integration. The integration has been very smooth. We are happy with the user interface that EnerTech products provide, especially when it comes to troubleshooting. We found that their products are quite capable. And so, because these are complex systems, integrating batteries with inverters, along with solar, along with grid, and getting everything together, working like clockwork is very difficult. But we believe with the user-friendly interface that EnerTech products actually provide, that hassle has been reduced a lot at our end. So we can proudly say that our engineers, even though they are battery engineers, have confidently handled EnerTech products and also use their configuration features and also seen a lot of tutorial videos that EnerTech provides, and they have been able to do troubleshooting at customer sites without even having to actually contact the EnerTech service team. The EnerTech service team is also quite prompt, no doubt in that. But with all the video libraries available, if that calling them time and again is not really required. We've minimized that amount.
And all thanks to AI, EnerTech's AI-based system, we are also able to resolve all our queries even on holidays. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.